Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Find the difference. Difference means subtraction. Find the difference. Exercise 4.3. We have started second. Second we have done up to D. Now we will do E. It is very much clear, right? E is given mixed fraction 5:6/7 minus 2:2/3, 2:2/3. Yes, it is clear, right? Yes. Send the request. I will admit you. Wait, I am doing the setting. Yes, now it is clear, right? 5:6/7 minus 2:2/3. So we want to subtract these two mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, this is mixed fraction. So first we convert them into improper fraction. So 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 6, 41. 41/7 minus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8/3. So 5:6/7, these are mixed fraction. So first we convert them into improper fraction. So 7 5s are 35 plus 6, 41/7. Now 41/7 and minus 8/3. We want to subtract these two fractions. But see the denominator, 41/7, denominator is 7, 8/3, denominator is 3. So denominators are different, that means they are unlike fraction. So for our first job is to convert them into like fraction by taking LCM of the denominator. So I will take LCM of the denominator. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. By common division method you can find. So LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So we convert this denominator 7 into 21. So we multiply and divide by 3. So that will be 41 into 3 upon 7 into 3. No, we are not multiplying by 21. We are making the denominator as 21. Because my LCM of denominator 7 and 3 is 21. So this 7 we want 21, so I have to multiply 7 by 3 in the denominator, so numerator also we multiply by 3. Similarly this is 3, we want denominator 21, so to convert 3 into 21 we will multiply by 7 in the denominator, then 7, so minus 8 into 7 upon 3 into 7. So this is 41 into 3, that is 123 upon 21 minus 8 into 7, 56 upon 21. So 123 upon 21 minus 56 upon 21. Minus 56 upon 21. Now denominator is same, 21, 21. So they are like fraction. So once they have converted into like fraction, I will take the denominator 21, 21 common. Yes, mute the microphone, whoever is creating the disturbance. And then I will subtract the numerator, 123 minus 56. 123 minus 56. So 123 minus 56, 13 minus 6, 7. Yes, mute the microphone. Who is not listening? Board. Wait. Now it is clear. So 123 minus 56 upon 7. 123 minus 56 upon 7. Yes. Now right. Yes. 123 minus 56. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 11 minus 5 is 6. 67. 67 upon 21. It's clear? So now this 67 upon 21, I have to convert this into 67 upon 21. 67. 123 minus 56. So this I have to convert into mixed fraction. So divide 66 by 21. So 21 3s are 63. 3 is to 4 upon 21. So 21 3s are 63. 63 plus 4 67. So answer is 3 is to 4 upon 21. Whenever you are given mixed fraction, 60 divide 67 by 21. No, divide 67 by 21. So 21 3s are 63, and this is 4. 4 is the denominator. 4 is the remainder. So to convert the fraction into mixed fraction, we divide 67 by 21. 67 upon 21 is the fraction. To convert that into mixed fraction, I have to divide 21 3s are 63, 67 minus 63 4. Yes. Yes, mute the mic. Whose disturbance is there? Please mute the microphone. Who is not listening? Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes. So 3 is to 4 upon 21 is the answer. 67 upon 21 is a fraction. To convert that into mixed fraction, we divide 67 by 21. Yes, it is very much clear. Very much clear. Now we write f. So 3 is to 2 upon 6 minus 1 is to 1 upon 5. So 3 is to 2 by 6 minus 1 is to 1 upon 5. This will be homework f. Same problem. Then G and H. Then G 33 upon 4. 33 upon 4 minus 17 upon 6. These are simple. Just take LCM of denominator. G then H. H is 8 by 3. They are easy, no? 8 by 3 minus 6 by 5. Just take the LCM of the denominator, convert them into like fraction and subtract them. No, FGH. G you want me to do? Same way. Yes. It is here. It is same. Are you getting? Yes. Yes. F is convert that into mixed fraction. Yes. You have to convert them into like fraction. No. You have to just convert them into like fraction and simplify them. Are you getting? And you have to simplify that, subtract that. So now let us start third one, simplify. The working method is to subtract two fractions. You see whether they are like fraction or unlike fraction. If they are unlike fraction, then you take LCM of the denominator. You can find the LCM by using common division method. You can find the LCM by using common division method, and then convert the denominator. Same. Once you convert the denominator same, then if the denominator is same, they are like fractions. If the denominators are same, then they are like fractions. Yes. I'm just erasing this part. Now that technical point you see. Yes. Now it is clear. Yes. My dear, it is very much clear. No, I am able to see. No, it is very much clear. See, I am able to see. It is very much clear. Now, let us start third one. Third one we start simplify. In third one simplify, we are given mixed. We have to add and subtract both together. We have to add and subtract both. Third, 2 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. 2 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. 2 plus 11 upon 15. Yes. 2 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. Yes. So these two we have to add, and after adding these two I have to subtract 5 upon 9. So once I have to do addition and then I have to do subtraction. So we go step by step. So we are given 2. This 2, see, any fraction has numerator and denominator. Is it clear? Any fraction has numerator and denominator both. So we are given 2. So I can convert 2 in the fraction form. 2 is there in the numerator. There is no denominator. So denominator I will write 1. So 2 I can write 2 upon 1 so that it becomes a fraction. 2 I can write 2 upon 1. Other I will write as it is 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. So this 2 I have written 2 I have written 2 upon 1. Yes, it is very much clear, right? See, very much clear. Now stop. 2 upon 1 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. 2 I have written 2 upon 1 in the, my dear, it is very much clear. 2 I can write, yes. Now 2 I can write 2 upon 1 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5. My dear, it is very much clear. You see the setting of your phone. Yes. Minus 5 upon 9. So to convert this 2 we have written 2 upon 1 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. Now to convert them into like fraction, I will take LCM of denominator 1, 15 and 9. I will take LCM of 1, 15 and 9. So using common division method, we find LCM of 1, 15 and 9. 1, 15, 9. We find LCM because we want to convert them into like fraction. So 1 will remain 1. Now 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Then I can take 3, 1, 5, 3 1s are 3. Then I can take 5, 1, 1, 1. Whenever you get 1, 1, 1, you have to stop. So LCM is 3 is into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So LCM of denominator is 45. So I have to convert, yes, I have to convert we have to convert who is creating the disturbance. Yes, who is creating that disturbance? Yes. Now we convert the denominator of each fraction as 45. We convert the denominator of each fraction as 45. So whenever it was given 2, So 2 we write 2 upon 1. Any fraction has numerator and denominator both. So 2, I will write 2 upon 1. Then we have taken the LCM of the denominator. We have taken the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of 159 is 45. Now I will make denominator of each fraction as 45, and then this, after getting that, like fraction will simplify. So first I will make denominator of each fraction as 45. So it is 2 upon 1. So it is 2 upon 1. So I want denominator as 45. So multiply and divide by 45. So 2 into 45 upon 1 into 40. 1 into 45, 2 into 45 upon 1 into 45, right, 2 into 45 upon 1 into 45 plus, wait, this 15 we want 45, so I will multiply by 3. So 11 into 3 upon 15 into 3. Now minus 5 by 9. Yes. Now minus 5 by 9. Yes, right. Minus 5 by 9. We want denominator 45. So this 9 I will multiply by 5. So 5 into 5 upon 9 into 5. I have to make denominator of each fraction as 45. So 2 into 45 is 90 upon 45 plus 33 upon 45 minus 25 upon 45. Now, so 2 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. 2, I will write 2 upon 1. Then to convert them into like fraction, I will take LCM of denominator 1, 15, 9, which is 45. Now I will make denominator of each fraction as 45. So this is 1. So I will multiply and divide by 45. This is 15. 15 threes-a. So I will multiply and divide by 3. This is 9. So 9 fives-a. So multiply and divide by 5. Now all are like fraction. They are like fraction. So I will take denominator same, 45. And then it is 90 plus 33, then minus 25. See, I will take denominators common same, 45, 90 plus 33 minus 25. So first I will add 90 plus 33 is 123, 123 minus 25 upon 45. 123 minus 25, wait, 13 minus 5 is 8, then 11 minus 2 is 9, 98 upon 45. 98 upon 45, which I can write in the mixed fraction as 45 2s are 90, 2 is to 8 upon 45, and this is the answer. 90. Yes. If you see here, if you don't write, no problem, no marks will be cut. Even if you don't write, no marks will be cut. So how many fractions are given, that does not matter. We have to convert each fraction into like fractions. You have to convert each fraction into like fraction. So it was given 2. 2 I can write 2 upon 1. 2 I can write 2 upon 1. 2 I will write 2 upon 1. And then we take LCM of denominator. Yes. Now let us do second. Write fast. So the board is very much clear. It is as clear as water. Yes, we are able to see that in the mobile, no? now let us do the B part. See, in this third we are wait. In this we are given addition and subtraction both. See, this is not the platform of debate. One thing, no wait. One thing I would like to make it clear that this is not the platform of debate. If you say it is not clear, I go and check. If it is clear, I respond that it is clear. But there should not be any discussion and debate. Yes. See, some of the students, their story is just like that boy. Every time who used to shout that line is coming, line is coming, line is coming. Then every time all the villagers used to come to help him. And finally they found themselves as fooled. The boy used to laugh at them that I have make you fool. So every time the villagers used to come and help the boy. Now one time, yes. Now one day, the real lion came. He started shouting, "Lion is coming! Lion is coming! Help! Help! Help!" No villager turned up. No villager turned up for the help. So that should not be the story. If you are saying it is not clear, I go and check and verify. Once I respond that it is clear, then story gets there and only. Every time, yes. Every time, don't shout that line is coming or board is not clear. Because there are other students also. Now let us do B part. 5 plus 3 by 4. 5 plus 3 by 4 minus 4 is to 5 by 12. Mixed fraction given. 4 is plus 3 is to 1 by 6. We are given fraction and mixed fraction. So first we write 5 as 5 upon 1. Because fraction is numerator and denominator. So 5 is in the numerator. There is no denominator. So 5 I will write 5 upon 1. Yes, it is clear, right? 5 I will write 5 upon 1. So plus 3 upon 4 will 3 upon 4. Now this mixed fraction I will convert into improper fraction. So 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 5, 53 upon 12. Then plus, this is also mixed fraction, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 upon 6. So we have converted them into fraction. Now they are not like fraction because denominator of 5 upon 1 is 1, 4, 12, 6. To convert them into like fraction, I will take LCM of the denominators. So now I will take LCM of 1, 4, 12, 6. I will advise you find this LCM by division method. Common division method 1, 4, 12, 6. 1, 4, 12, 6. So it is 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Again 2. 1 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 I will write 3 only. Then 3 1 1 1 1. So LCM of 1 4 12 6 is 2 into 2 into 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Now add last year digest will not work. That will not work. Yes. So now write. Now make. See, we are not talking about digest. No, no, LCM of 1, 4, 12, 6 is 12. LCM of 1, 4, 12, 6. Yes. LCM of, yes. Wait. LCM of 1, 4, 12, 6 is, now it is clear, right? LCM of 1, 4, 12, 6 is 12. Now we convert the denominator of each fraction as 12. We convert the denominator of each fraction as 12. We convert the denominator of each fraction as 12. If you don't do that, you will not be able to solve the problem. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. So this is 5 upon 1. So we have to convert this into 12. So multiply and divide by 12. So 5 into 12 upon 1 into 12 plus 3 upon 4. So this you have to make it 12. So multiply by 3. So 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3 minus 53 upon 12. This is directly 12. So we write 12 only. We can multiply by 1, no problem. We can write 12 into 1. Plus 19 upon 6. Multiply and divide by 2. 19 into 2 upon 6 into 2. 19 into 2 upon 6 into 2. So 5 into 12 is 60. 60 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 minus 53 upon 12 plus 19 to the 38 upon 12. Now denominator of each fraction is 12. So they are like fraction. So I will take the denominator common 12 and simplify the numerator. So this is 60 plus 9. 60 plus 9, then minus 53 plus 38. Minus 53 plus 38. Wait. 60 plus 9. 60 plus 9 minus 53 plus 38. So first we solve. Wait. 60 plus 9 is 69. 69 minus 53 plus 38 upon 12. Yes. So now let us go one more step. 69 minus. No. See, addition and subtraction, they are at the same level. So you can perform any one. Addition and subtraction, they are on the same level. So you can perform any one of them first. So 69 minus 53 is 16. 16 plus 38 upon 12. 69 minus 53 is 16. 16 plus 38 is 54 upon 12. Now you can convert them into mixed fraction. So divide 54. Divide 54 by 12. 12 4s are 48. Then 6. So 4 is to 6 upon 12. This is the answer. 4 is to 6 upon 12 is the answer. Yes. So now in this problem we are given addition and subtraction both together. Addition and subtraction both together. So you have to work out. You have to take LCM of the denominators and then convert those fractions into like fractions. Once you have like fraction, then you simplify the numerator. What? Now CDE Now C, D, E, all are of the same type. You have to take LCM of the denominator. Wait. You have to take LCM of the denominator. Yes, board is very much clear, right? You have to take LCM of the denominators. Yes. Now those who are in the village, I am asking them whether board is clear for them. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Now stop. Mute the microphone. Now let us write. Wait. Let us write 2 plus 5 is to 7 upon 10. 2 is plus 5 is to 7 upon 10 minus 3 is to 14 upon 15. So there are 3 fractions given. Then D is 8 minus 3 is to 1 by 2 minus 2 is to 1 by 4. Then E 8 is to 5 by 6 mixed fraction minus 3 is to 3 by 8. Wait, we'll see now. Plus 2 is to 7 by 12. All are given in the mixed fraction form. Then F 6 is to 1 by 6 minus 5 is to 1 by 5 plus 3 is to 1 by 3. Now wait. Now out of this, out of this C, D, E, I am giving homework. C, D, E, I am giving homework. F I will do. Let me do one more. Okay. So F is given in the mixed fraction. So first you convert them into improper fraction. So 6 are 36 plus 1 37 by 6 minus 5 are 25 plus 1 26 by 5 plus 3 are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. So they have been converted into improper fraction. Yes. Now I will take LCM of the denominators. I will take LCM of the denominators. I will take LCM of the denominators. Yes. I will take LCM of the denominators and convert them into like fractions. We'll take LCM of the denominators and convert them into like fractions. Yes. Right. Mute the microphone. Okay. Now it is clear, right? Yes. No, it is. No, I have converted that into mixed fraction. No, I have converted that into mixed fraction. Yes, you can reduce. See 50. See here, 54 upon 12. You can write this as 9 6 are 54. 12 I can write 2 into 6. Are you getting? 54 upon 12. You can write 9 6 are 54, 2 6 are 12. Then 6 get cancelled. What is left? 9 upon 2 is left. Then I can divide 9 by 2. That is 4 2s are 8. 4 is to 1 by 2. 4 is to. No. Just now somebody asked, can be reduced 54 upon 12? I said yes, you can reduce 54 upon 12 by writing 54 as 9 into 6, 12 as 2 into 6. 6 is get cancelled, 9 upon 2 is left. 9 upon 2 is 4 is to 1 by 2. Yes? Yes, just now somebody asked the doubt. Is it clear? Yes. Before yes, before writing them in the mixed fraction, you reduce them to the lowest. No, f I am doing, no. F I am solving. F I am solving. So 6 is to 1 by 6. Wait, no. That you left to me, no. Why you are suggesting? That is up to me, what I have to do. Whether I have to give entire homework or which problem, that is left to me. So, now, yes. Now 6 is to 1 by 6. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37 by 6. 5 is to 1 by 5. 5 5 are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Now I will take LCM of 6 5 3. I will take LCM of 6 5 3. LCM of 6 5 3. LCM of 6 5 3. To convert them into like fraction. So I can take 3 2s are 6, 5, 3 1s are 3. Then I can take 2 1s are 2, 5, 1. Then I can take 5, 1, 1, 1. Yes. Yes. I speak. Yes. So LCM is 3 into 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So LCM of 6 5 3 is 30. So now I will make denominator of each fraction as 30. So So 37 into 5 upon 6 into 5. I will make denominator of each fraction as 30. So 26 into 6. This 5 I will multiply by 6. 26 into 6 upon 5 into 6. Plus this 3 I will multiply by 10. So 10 into 10 upon 3 into 10. Do it. 37 we multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. Then 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. 185 upon 30. Minus. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 156. Yes, upon 30. Plus 10 into 10, 100 upon 30. Now we have converted them into like fraction. Because denominator is 30, 30, 30. So that I will take denominator 30 common. Then it is 185 minus 156 plus 100. Plus 100. 185 minus 156. Simplify. 186 minus 156. Wait, 185 minus 156. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. 29. 29 plus 100 upon 30. That is 129 upon 30. 129 upon 30. Now this you can convert, simplify. 129 upon 30 you can reduce. You can reduce to the lowest term. 129 upon 30 you can reduce to the lowest term. That is not the final answer, remember. No, wait. 129 upon 30. Wait. Wait. 129 upon 30. 129 upon 30. 129 I can write 43 into 3. 129 I can write 43 into 3. 30 I can write 3 into 10. So now, this 3 get cancelled, and that is 43 upon 10. That is 43 upon 10. 43 upon 10 I can write 4 is to 3 upon 10. This is the answer. 4 is to 3 upon 10. Afternoon. Yes. Yes. You have to convert. You have to convert that into lowest term, and then you have to convert them into mixed fraction. So answer is 4 is to 3 upon 10. This is the answer. Now we have to do the word problem. We have to solve the word problem based on these fractions. We have to solve the word problem based on these fractions. We have to do the word problem based on these fractions. So you write little bit fast because I have to write the question also on the board. No, all the sums I will do, because these are word problems which need explanation. So fourth one, I am writing the question. Manan 8, yes, Manan 8, 1 into 1 by 2. Write the question. Manan 8, 1 is to 1 by 2, piece of cake. Mute the microphone, yes. Manan 8, 1 is to 1 by 2, piece of cake. And Navya 8, 1 is to 1 by 3, piece of cake. Yes, mute the microphone, Shivam. Of cake. Who ate more? And how much more? That you ask your class teacher. Who ate more and how much? Please ask the class teacher. Who ate more and how much more? Wait. Why? Bolo. Yes, bolo. Afternoon around 2 o'clock. So now there are two girls. There are two persons. Manan, write this, and Navya. There are two children, Manan and Navya. This is piece of cake. Draw that. Piece of cake. Just draw this 5, 6 line. This is Manan 8, 1 is to 1 by 2. And Navya 8, 1 is to 1 by 3. Piece of cake. Who ate more? So see here, they ate piece of cake. It is given in the fraction form, mixed fraction. It is given in the mixed fraction. So you have to first convert them into fraction, into improper fraction, and then you have to find which fraction is bigger. Then you have to decide which fraction is bigger. To decide which fraction is bigger, we convert each one of them like fraction, and then we see the numerator. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now we write Manan 8. Manan 8. Yes, clear now it is. right? Manan ate piece of cake. Manan ate piece of cake. Piece of cake that is 1:1/2. What is 1:1/2? 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3/2. So this is 3/2. Manan ate that you see. No. Manan ate piece of cake that is 3/2. Yes. Okay. Then Navya ate. Wait. Navya ate piece of cake. Navya ate piece of cake is 1:1/3. 1:1/3 is 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4/3. 1:1/3 is 4/3. Now it is clear, right? 4. Wait. Yes. Yes. Video, nothing can be said. Right. So Manan ate piece of cake is 1:1/2, 3/2. Navya ate piece of cake 1:1/3, 4/3. Now you have two fractions, 3/2 and 4/3. 3/2 and 4/3. We have to convert them into like fraction. So I will take LCM of denominator 2 and 3. Wait. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of denominator 2 and 3 is 6. So I will convert denominator of each as 6. So 3/2. So this I will multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. So this is 9/6. 3/2 is same as 9/6. Then 4/3, I have to convert denominator as 6. So 4 into 2 upon 3 into 2, that is 8/6. So now we have converted 3/2 and 4/3 into like fractions. 3/2 is same as 9/6. 4/3 is same as 8/6. Now which number is bigger, 9/6 or 8/6? 9/6 is greater than 8/6. 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 And 9/6 is same as 3/2. 9/6 is same as 3/2. 9/6 is same as 3/2. So 9/6 is same as 3/2. Wait. 9/6 is same as 3/2. So we get 3/2 is greater than 8/6 is same as 4/3. Now 3/2 is for which person? 3/2 is for Manan and 4/3 is for Navya. So 3/2 is greater than 4/3. That means Manan ate more. Manan ate more piece of cake. Manan ate more pieces of cake. One answer is over. Now it is asked by how much. To decide by how much, we have to subtract the smaller fraction from the bigger fraction. So my wait. My bigger fraction is 3/2. Bigger fraction is 3/2. And smaller fraction is 4/3. So by how much? So I will subtract. So I will find 3/2 minus 4/3. 3/2 minus 4/3. We have to subtract bigger fraction minus smaller fraction. Now we have converted them already into like fraction. What is 3 by 2? 3 by 2 is same as 9 by 6. 3 by 2 is same as 9 by 6. 4 by 3 is same as 8 by 6. Now they are like fraction. 9 by 6 minus 8 by 6. I can write 9 minus 8, 1 by 6. So answer is Manan 8. Manan 8. Yes. 9 minus Manan 8 more pieces of cake. So now we write Manan 8, 1 by 6 more pieces of cake, then Navya. Yes, then Navya. So Manan 8, 1 by 6 more pieces of cake than Navya. To find by how much, we find bigger fraction minus smaller fraction. We find the difference. We find the difference. We find the difference. So Manan 8, 1 by 6 more pieces of cake than Navya. Now next question. Fifth one. Naina's house is chalo, I am waiting. Naina, write first. Write the question. Those who have completed, they start writing the question. I am just writing the question. Naina's house is 31 upon 6 kilometer, 31 by 6 kilometer from school. She travels 32 by 9 kilometer, by bus, and the rest of the distance she covers on foot. And rest of distance she covers on foot by walking. How much distance does she cover on foot? How much distance does she cover on foot? Does she cover on foot? How much distance? How much distance does she cover on foot? What wrong? So it is not wrong. Wait, it is not wrong. Yes. Wait, no. Let me explain, no. Whether it is wrong or right, that let me explain. We'll see whether it is wrong or it is correct. Several times I have told you that we are not the magician. We are not the magician, we are mathematician. Magician, by just looking at, they do the magic. But we are mathematician, unless and until yes. In mathematics, without solving the problem, we cannot tell the answer. That you see. We are mathematician, we are not magician, remember this. So question is right or question is wrong, that we will see. Do not worry. Whether it is right or whether it is wrong, that we will come to know only when we solve the problem. So let us solve. Let us solve with the pleasant mood. You should. Full screen is there. Wait. 1 minute. Chalo. Abhi, now it is perfect, right? Now you write. Now let me write. This is, see here, we draw the diagram. Thing will be clear. Do not worry. We draw the diagram. Thing will be clear. This is Naina's house. This is Naina's house. You draw just one house. Draw this. This is Naina's house. This is house. And this is school. This is Naina's school. This is school. This is Naina's house and this is Naina's school. Are you getting? Then Naina's house is 31/6 kilometer from school. The distance between house and the school is given. Yes. How much that distance is there? 31/6 kilometer. The distance between Naina's house and school is 31/6 kilometer. The distance between Naina's house and school is 31/6 kilometer. She travels 32/9 kilometer by bus. So she starts traveling from her house to reach to school. So she started traveling from her house. She travels 32/9 kilometer by bus. So suppose this much distance. This much distance she covers by bus. How much? 32/9 kilometer. 32/9 kilometer she covers by bus. Then rest of the distance. Then this remaining distance she covers on her foot, means by walking. Foot means by walking. Wait my dear. Wait, don't see 32 and 31. You see that they are in the fraction. 32/9 and 31/6. They are in the fraction. We cannot say which is more or which is less unless and until we solve. You go by the problem. The distance between house and school is 31/6 kilometer. She starts traveling from her house and covers 32/9 kilometer by bus, some of the journey. Then the remaining journey she travels by walking on her foot. Now this we have to find. We have to find how much she covers on her foot. So this we have to find. This distance we have to find. Are you getting? So now we write, let Naina covers x kilometer distance on her foot. Let Naina covers x kilometer distance on her foot. So this much distance I am taking x. This x we have to find. Let Naina covers x kilometer distance on her foot. What is that x? That we have to find. What is that x? We have to find. Let Naina covers x kilometer distance on her foot. The total distance between the school and the Naina's house is 31 by 6 kilometer. Then sum of the distance she covers by bus, and the remaining distance to reach the school she travels on her foot, means by walking. How much distance she covers on her foot or by walking, that we have to find, and that I have considered as x. So now see here, this is my total distance. What is total distance? 31 by 6. House and school, the distance between house and school is total distance, and sum of the distance she travels by 32 by 9. Yes, wait. So now we form the equation. 32 by 9 kilometer, 32 by 9 kilometer plus x kilometer is equal to, yes, 31 by 6 kilometer. Are you getting? Are you following this? Are you following? This distance plus this distance is, yes, this distance plus this distance will be total distance. Total distance is 31 by 6. So this we write 32 by 9 plus x is equal to 31 by 6. Now this x we have to find. Let Naina covers x kilometer distance on her foot. So this remaining distance she covers by her foot, that we consider x. That x we have to find. Now see here, see the rule of mathematics. This x we have to find. This 32 by 9 I will take. See here, there are two sides. Before equal to, this is my left side. After equal to, it is my right side. Whenever we change the side, the sign of the number changes. Whenever we change the side, the sign of the number changes. Now 32 by 9 I will take it on the right side. So it will become minus 32 by 9. So x is equal to, x I am keeping there only, 31 by 6. Then this 32 by 9 I am taking on the right side. It will become minus 32 by 9. Minus 32 by 9. So now we have to subtract these two fractions. So first you convert them into like fraction. LCM of 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9 you have to find. So find LCM of 6 and 9. Yes. 3 2s are 6. X we have to find, no. To find x, see this distance plus this distance is total distance. So to find x, I will subtract this much distance from the bigger distance. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2. That is 18. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. LCM is 18. Now I will convert them into like fraction. So I have to make denominator of each as 18. So x is equal to 31 into 3 upon 6 into 3. Wait. Minus 32 into 2 upon 9 into 2, right? Wait. Our board is very much clear, right? I have to make denominator equal. That is 18 LCM. So 6 I will multiply by 3, 9 I will multiply by 2. Yes, now. So now we have to convert. We have to simplify that. X is equal to, find x. X is equal to, so x will be nothing but total distance minus distance covered by bus. So x is equal to, yes, yes, 31 into 3 is 93, very good. 93 upon 18 minus 64 64 upon 18. So x is 93 minus 64 upon 18. So x is, yes, x is, find out 93 minus 64, how much? 29 upon 18, very good. X is 29 upon 18. X is 29 upon 18. X is 29 upon 18. 29 upon 18, which I can convert into mixed fraction. 18 ones are 18. 1 is to 11 upon 18. 1 is to 11 upon 18. Are you getting? You can stop there. You can stop there, 29 upon 18. No problem. No need to write that in the mixed fraction. So, so this is, so we write Naina covers x kilometer. Wait. Naina covers x kilometer. But what is x 20? So write answer start from this, no? Let Naina covers x kilometer. What is x kilometer? 29 upon 18 kilometer on her foot. So Naina covers 29 upon 18 kilometer on her foot. This is the answer. That x is nothing but 29 upon 18. Just see the answer behind what is given. You go on checking the answer behind. Those who are having the textbook. Yes. Right. Okay, yes. Those who are having the textbook, they simultaneously go on checking the answer behind. So answer is 29 upon 18 kilometer. She covers. Yes. Copy the next question. Yes, I will write the question. See, these are word problems which you have to understand. And those who are good in understanding the word problem, then, no. In this I will not give any homework, word problem. Now write question number 6. Write question number 6. X. You write x. That gives you more clarity. The total distance is 31 upon 6. Sum of the distance she covered by bus. How much distance she covered by her foot? That we consider x. So 32 upon 9 plus x will be total distance. 31 upon 6. Now how you can leave? 15 minutes are there. You cannot leave. Yes. Nobody will leave. It is the responsibility of their parent to take care that your child remains till the end of the period. Because we are not in the physical contact as we were there in the classroom. Sixth one, Priya had. See, these word problems are important. Word problems you should read the question. Reading the question is important. Normally what the student do, without reading the question they go for solving the problem. That is incorrect. Always make the habit of reading the question twice. If you read the question, you will come to know what is given, what we have to find. Now sixth, Priya had, yes, Mute the microphone. Priya had 2 upon 5 meter. Priya had 2 upon 5 meter. Priya had 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. Priya had 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. Priya had 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. She purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. She purchases 10 upon 3 meter more ribbon. She purchases 10 upon 3 meter more ribbon. What length of ribbon in total? What length of ribbon? Yes, mute the microphone. What length of ribbon? What length of ribbon in total? In total? No, it is not raining. In total, does she have now? Does she have now? What length of ribbon does she total have now? So now we have to solve this. Yes. Priya had Priya had 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. So this is ribbon 2 upon 2 upon 5 meter long. This is ribbon 2 upon 5 meter long. Then she purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. She purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. So 10 upon 3 meter more ribbon she purchases. She purchases from this much, it is 2 upon 5 meter. So from this much she purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. 10 upon 3 meter more. She purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. Now what is asked? What length of ribbon in total? Now total how much length of ribbon she has? That means we have to find this much distance. We have to find this total. Means we have to add both. To find total length of the ribbon, yes. To find total length of the ribbon, we have to add both. Already she had 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. Then she purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. Then how much total length? Yes, to find. We have to add both. We have to add both the length. Already she is having 2 upon 5 meter long ribbon. Then she purchases 10 upon 3 meter more. Then what is the total length of the ribbon? To find total length of the ribbon, we have to add both the lengths of the ribbon. So now we write total length. So we find total length of the ribbon. So now we find total length of the ribbon. Now we write total length of the ribbon. Total length of length of the ribbon is equal to 2 by 5 meter plus 10 by 3 meter. 10 by 3 meter. So now 2 by 5 and 10 by 3. 2 by 5, we write 2 by 5 plus 10 by 3. Now both are unlike fraction. Both are unlike fraction. We have to take LCM of denominator 5 and 3 and convert them into like fraction. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So now I will make denominator of each one of them 15. So 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Now this 3 I have to multiply by 5. So 10 into 5 upon 3 into 5. So that is 6 upon 15 plus 50 upon 15. that is 56 upon 15. 6 plus 50 is 56. 6 plus 50 upon 15, and that is 56 upon 15. 56 upon 15 you have to write to the lowest term. 56 upon 15 I can write, yes, can you write down them in the lowest form? No. Just see what is the answer given. 56 upon 15 meter. Yes. So answer is 56 upon 15 meter is the total length of the ribbon. The total length of the ribbon is 56 upon 15 meter. The total length of the ribbon is 56. The total length of the ribbon. Right. 7th one. It is very much clear. You just see the setting of the phone. The total length of the ribbon is 56 upon 15 meter. We have to add both the fractions. Yes, we will see. No, we'll see. Do not worry. Step by step. Wait. We are there. No. Do not worry. Yes. Yes, see here, normally see, my dear, in the question, the fractions were not given in mixed fraction. Is it clear? It was given 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 3. So questions were not given in mixed fraction, so answer I have also not converted into mixed fraction. If question is given in the mixed fraction, then answer I will also write in terms of mixed fraction. So in this we write as it is. Now 7th. Yes, 7th. The three sides of a triangle, very important. The three sides. You are there, no? The three sides of a triangle, even if one should. Yes. The three sides of a triangle. Right. The three sides of a triangle are. We are given three sides of the triangle. 3 by 2 centimeter. 3 by 2 centimeter is one side. Then 2:1 by 2 centimeter is other side. Then 5 by 4 centimeter is third side. 5 by 4 centimeter is third side. Three sides are given. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Find the perimeter of the. You write the question, I will explain. No. See, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three. Ask the doubt. Yes, ask the doubt. See, if in the question, if all the fractions are given in mixed fraction, then answer you write in terms of mixed fraction. If in the question one fraction is given in let it be. So if one fraction is given proper fraction, other is given improper and or mixed fraction, then you convert them into mixed fraction. Now three sides of the triangle. So this is very important. This is my triangle. Triangle has three sides. Now, yes. Now one side is given 3 by 2 centimeter. This much length. Other side is 2:1/2. 2:1/2 centimeter. Then third side is 5/4 centimeter. Wait. Ha. Yes. Do not. Now right. We are given this. See, this problem I will complete. Three sides of the triangle are given. One side is 3/2 centimeter. Other side is 5/4 centimeter. Wait. Third side is Third side is 5/4 centimeter. Third side is 5/4 centimeter. Third side. Wait. 1 minute. Wait, no. Yes, now right. Yes, now right. Find perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three. Yes. So perimeter, we write perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all three sides. So all the three sides I will add. 3/2 centimeter plus 2:1/2 centimeter. 2:1/2 centimeter plus 5/4 centimeter. All the three sides I will add. I will get perimeter. Yes. Wait. 3/2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5/2 plus 5/4. Wait, plus 5/4. Now, wait, my dear. Now I will take LCM of 2 to 4. I will take LCM of 2 to 4. LCM of 2 to 4 is 4. LCM of 2 to 4 is 4. Yes, right. LCM of 2 to 4 is 4. No problem. You can add the numbers in any order. You can add A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B. Any order you can add the number. So LCM is 4. So now this denominator I will make 4. So 3 into 2 upon 2 into 2 plus 5 into 2. 5 into 2 upon 2 into 2. Wait, still we have time. 6 upon 4 plus 10 upon 4. 10 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. Wait. Now we add the numbers. Now they have been converted into like fractions. So 6 upon 4, I will take 4 common. Then it is 6 plus 10 plus 5. 6 plus 10 plus 5. Add. 6 plus 10 plus 5. So it is given 6 plus 10 plus 5. 6 plus 10 plus 5 upon 4. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 5, 21 upon 4. 21 upon 4, this we write centimeter. Yes, so we write perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is, just check the answer behind, is 21 upon 4 centimeter. Just check the answer behind. No, 21 upon 4 centimeter. Yes. So perimeter means sum of, perimeter means sum of all the three sides. Perimeter of triangle, bye. Perimeter of triangle is, sum of all the three sides